Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. You have your computer and you're asking yourself if it can be able to use any kind of SIM card or be able to be compatible with the specific SIM card that you can be able to use with it. However, there are different requirements that you need to always consider in order to ensure that your computer may be able to be compatible with the specific SIM card or to be able to use a SIM card. Not every computer can be able to use a SIM card. I'm going to be showing you different things to be able to consider to ensure that if you want to use your computer with SIM card, you can be able to check the specific laptop or to be able to buy the specific laptop. Of course, if you are preferring to buy the specific laptop which is compatible with the SIM card, you need to consider the following section. So the first thing you need to consider if you want to buy this, there is an eSIM or SIM card slot. Not always an eSIM, but some are having SIM slots. It's like a modem. So these are SIM slots. Or also they might be having a built-in modem. So this is a built-in modem, which is gonna be it works as a SIM card reader or SIM card receiver. So these are you will see when you're gonna check across the different laptop sections. For instance, you can see this one. So if you see this one and you check it out through here, you can see it has this SIM card section. This SIM card section, it is, you can see it is where the person can come and put his or her own SIM. And if you're gonna be checking out here where the person is gonna be starting with his or SIM card, there is also another slot where the SIM card is going to be sent or is going to be stored. And at the top here, you can see, because this is a SIM card data section here, so there is a way that this, when you push this SIM card inside, it is gonna be read by this built-in modem in order to receive the data from the SIM card, so the computer can be able to read the SIM. So when you're using a modem on your computer, it automatically installs some drivers, and if it installs these drivers on your computer, that means they are gonna be used on your computer to be able to of course read the internet. So now if you're using it for SIM card purpose or for calls purpose, you need to consider that your laptop is having all these things. So before we leave to the SIM card slot section, there are different kind of SIM slot section, and not every SIM slot or built-in SIM slot is going to be like another. For instance, let's check here on these SIM slots. You can check this one is different. You can check this one. So you can now check how the how different SIM slot section are gonna be different here. Of course, modems which can be able to use for internet purposes, you can check here. And they are also, check this one. You can also check some computer like you're having on a side, like this one, for instance HPs and others. You can check this one, it is having the SIM slot on this context. Also check this, you want to use here. So every kind of computer is going to be having different SIM card slot section, which is going to be different from one another, depends on how it has been manufactured, and depends on also the brand, the manufacturer, and someone else, or in the given computer versions. So now you can be asking yourself how can I know the computers which are using the SIM card? Also there are some computers which of course support eSIM, and when we talk about eSIM, you know that they're gonna be using electronically. So let me, for instance, which computers use eSIM. For For instance, if I search this kind of computers which can be able to use an eSIM, you can see they are different. Let's click here. For instance, we have a different kind of computers, and open this platform. So even if you search here, you can see we have Microsoft Surface Pro X, Pro 9, 5G, Pro 8, Pro 7 Plus, Go 2. So we have, if you can even come and open this site, which is eSIM.holafly.com, you can be able to get more information about different kind of laptops. For instance, here they have Axel brand, we have HP, Lenovo, Microsoft, Samsung. These kind of laptops which are here can be able to support an eSIM, and are MacBooks eSIM compatible, even though Apple has always been okay. Of course, you should be reading various information to ensure that you have accurate information on whether the given the specific laptop can be able to support an eSIM or SIM card or not. So first of all, if you check on SIM card on the laptop and see the SIM card slot, that's the first thing you have to check on it. And also after that, you have to read about the computer description information to ensure that you have crew, or you have enough information whether this computer will be able to get compatible with the specific SIM card, eSIM, modem, heavy modem, whatever, and even the strategy in which the SIM card can be able to use to get used on the specific computer. So if you want some more eSIM installation guidelines, also they are provided across here. You can check here, these are guidelines. If you want to read, these are from iPhone. You can see their manuals which are always provided. It depends on where you are installing it. This also for the phone here, but if you need to activate eSIM on the laptop, also need to check out, always to check out the guides or the specifications that are provided, even some instructions provided within the specific laptop you have bought. So the second thing also you need is the cellular data network. So now that you don't need any specific kind of internet to be able to use a SIM card on your laptop, you suppose that you're having the SIM card slot and or in eSIM you are on your laptop, eSIM support or SIM card slots. And if you have SIM slot or any eSIM support, that's the first thing. And the second thing, also this computer or this SIM card, once you're inserted into the specific laptop, it is gonna automatically connect to the cellular data network that is on the specific SIM card. Of course, you don't need the specific Wi-Fi, whatever internet access to be able to use the SIM card on laptop, but as long as you connect, it is gonna be automatically also connecting to this network. So you have to ensure that also this network is available to the specific location you're using this SIM card from, or to this SIM card too, because you know, if you are not having any network or in any area, you're gonna be you're not, of course, gonna be able to access the specific context, or the SIM card cannot be read or detected. So of course, you know that these always work as like data transmission process or reception process, which helps you to receive the specific information across different networks or across different base stations, and this is gonna be helping you to be able to use the specific SIM. So those are the main two things you have to check. The first thing I told you is to check if your computer is having SIM slot or eSIM supports, and the other thing to check if you have the enough cellular data network to be able to connect to the specific SIM card you're using. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button so as you already notified when I upload a new video here at Max TV.